let's look at the word focus as used in everyday and business conversation. Hi, I'm Kathy and I've worked in English and information design for over 25 years. I'd like to help you with English so that it becomes easier to use and easy to understand. When we focus, we concentrate. And when we focus on something, we concentrate on it, giving it all our attention. In everyday conversation, it seems easier to use other words rather than focus. For example, it seems more natural to say do your homework rather than focus on your homework, and easier to say listen carefully rather than focus on what I'm saying. The word focus can sometimes be a tricky word to say correctly. Pronounce focus starting with the sound fo. If you start it with the sound f, it can sound comical or rude. If you're feeling unsure how to say it, maybe use concentrate on instead. Focus is a word that works well in a business environment. Businesses may focus on different aspects of the business. For example, we say, let's focus on increasing sales, let's focus on new products, or let's focus on marketing initiatives. And focus is easy to relate to different areas of the business. For example, we can have a business focus, a strategic focus, sales focus, and financial focus. You might find using focus like this useful as a title on reports or presentations. And lastly, you might hear about focus groups in business. Focus group is a group of people selected to discuss and give opinions and feedback on a particular point. For example, businesses use focus groups to understand how their customers might like or not like their products, services, and future ideas. So let's recap our key points about the word focus. In everyday conversation, focus is generally about concentrating on something. Focus might not be used as widely in everyday conversation as in business. Focus can be a tricky word to say sometimes. A safe alternative is concentrate on. Focus can be used quite widely in business, as you can focus on almost any aspect or activity of a business. And lastly, you might hear about focus groups, people selected to discuss a point and give their opinions, thoughts, ideas, and feedback. And this ends my explanation to make it easier to understand the word focus and how it's used in everyday and business conversation. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more content like this, and in the comments below, let me know what English words you'd like to hear about. See you in the next video. Bye for now.